Udemy, I am Shazad Ahmed from jquery.com and welcome election number 9. Today we are going to discuss about the event, click event, double click event, hover and focus, blur. So how can you use them and what are वो काट देना यहाँ से ना. Okay, so now as you can see you have your button. You have a single button and you have 3 paragraphs available in your HTML, and you have added the jQuery because you are using the jQuery functionality, or you are calling the jQuery events here. So that's why you have to add the jQuery first before calling any event. So you are using the DOM ready or document ready event, and now you are saying that whenever someone click on the button and find all the paragraphs and hide them, just go to your page, refresh the page, click on this, it's hiding all the paragraphs. Okay, so this is the click. If I'm saying DBL click, that means whenever someone double click on the button, then it's hiding. Add a single click, it's not working. Just use the double click. So as you can see, it's hiding. Okay, so now if you are using the hover, go to your page, refresh the page, just hover over the button. So as you can see, it's hiding. Okay, so this is the hover event. Okay, I'm just telling you, we will use all the events while working the real-time examples, like how can you create your search system with your server-side language like PHP. We will discuss about them because this is the entire यार this is काट देना, ये दो चीजें हैं actually पहले. Okay, so now what is the focus and what is the blur? For suppose I'm saying I have an input type equals to text, and now I'm saying that this is the input type equals to text. Go to your page, refresh the page, you have a text, and now I'm saying when someone focus on this, hide them. Okay, so now I have to say that whenever someone focus on this input, just hide the paragraphs. Go to your page, focus, it's hiding, and now it's, as you can see, it's currently focused. Now I'm saying when someone leave this input type equals to text area, just show the paragraphs. Now what you just need to create the selectors. I'm saying that input, you can also use the class and ID selector, but I'm because we have a single input, so that's why I'm using this. If you have a multiple input type equals to text or text areas, you have to use the class and ID. Now I'm saying the blur event, and now when the event occurs or fired, I'm using anonymous functions, and now I'm saying find all the paragraphs dot show event and show them. Go to your page, refresh the page, as you can see, it's hiding. Now when click on this DOM, as you can see, it's showing blur, it's focus, blur, focus, blur. Okay, you can also change the background color of this. You can also change, you can also add the border, you can also add the class. We will discuss about how can you create your dynamic element in our later lectures, but for now this is the focus, blur, hover, click and double click. We will discuss about the on event, which is the very special event in the jQuery in our next lecture, but for now this is enough. So thank you for watching.